What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys and people. I'm gonna run through the intro quick and fast, you know what I mean? So we have Ivany, we have Candy, Ketchup and a go on with a bag of things, you know what I mean? We have Rosealee and her man, you know what I mean, Akeem, cause I think she say in our live say boy she and Akeem had sex, you know what I mean? The dog knock it, you know what I mean? So we are gonna listen out for that because we're not 100% sure. I'm gonna watch it with own right, you know. See, but also have Shebada and our ex-friend that a mud swim around. It look like him get released. No look like him get released and him respond to what Shebada said about him. Right? So we have that. Zozo, I think Rosalie about Zozo also. So we have a bunch of things, my people. I think we have also Annie and the Lion Man, you know what I mean? So we have a bunch of things to share. So here we go on. What me not telling about in the intro, it'll go in the video. I'm able to add more things as we go along. So make we get in it, people.
America, they have to get married. And if he doesn't, normally the normal steps is he couldn't work anywhere and he would have been deported if they didn't follow it. It's a clause once you apply for a K1 visa. You have to be married to the person within 90 days. So just like, well, I don't know if y'all ever watch 90 Day Fiancé, right? So, so it's the same process. They have to be married and they have to do the process. If they don't do the process and they skip anything, they will get deported. So they wouldn't let him go. Can I say in that the new immigration law and everything and how far that's going on, they wouldn't have let him out. They would have held him.
So Kim Savage, who's usually credible, she says he is married, he has a residential status, he is documented, and this is not his first arrest by the state, which is true because when
he was arrested before for
right.
For what?
Drinking and driving.
Yeah, so
he has a DUI.
Him never ever get no papers, Sky. Him not get no citizenship. You see that charge there right now? Yeah, you see that charge there right now? It worse than shooting a man, me I tell you. It worse than shooting a man.
Look what
I swear to you, okay. Listen,
look what somebody said in a comment. They said that his best friend said that it was something about violating a child.
But yes, we already read it already. Oh no, I'm
Sky, you see when you get a DUI
like,
right
look
now?
Here, guys, you see anything, let me say something. You see anything you see on my platform? It's what? Credible.
Okay.
No second thinking, no third thinking. You don't listen to what people at the comment, maybe just company life don't even know not some people, not everybody. And just a comment. How can I bring what him charge for? I know I make a comment I tell him where him charge for. Now when me tell him in charge for that thing for charge for, see it here right here saying no I'm showing you again. Three new people them.
But can I say something also?
Yeah, so, just let me show them, mama.
Yeah.
See it there. When you can't see it, child, see it there. See next one there. Aggregated battery, see it there.
Touch or strength.
Sky, yes,
please. See it there.
Hold on 1 second, Leabella. Gozo, you see, we have to take, so you notice I'm only reading certain comments, people that I believe to be credible.
See?
Let me tell you something. You see the violation of a child. That doesn't say that there. It says child. These people are trying to say that he touched a child. I'm not going to go with that until there's facts. You get what I'm saying?
Nobody not saying that really. Who in the comments call out the name?
No, when they say violated over here, Sky, that's what they mean.
That's what they mean.
When they say violated,
when they say, yeah, that's what they mean.
Like they trying to say he touched a child.
But me never read that in the chart.
No, I said the person in the comments, Sky, is saying that he violated a child. But in America, when you say someone violated, is because them do that to the child.
Listen, we have to correct them and educate them. That means the charges what we have, that mean him lick the child, maybe then get in a fight, child abuse, and then say aggregated battery deadly weapon. Simple mean there was a weapon involved. if in the child that's a different charges, if I did
Yes,
there, would I tell different on the charge. This simply
Yes.
means him and somebody gets in a fight and the person is an underage. The fact that the person is an underage, it's going to be child abuse. They say aggregated battery deadly weapon. Simple mean a weapon was involved.
Yeah.
In Brown, you're still not understanding what Sky is saying.
Who that?
So Brown, that's the person that put violating, and they just saying, I'm ignoring Brown now.
Don't study.
Yeah, I'm ignoring it.
Yeah, we know.
And then also,
I just came up to say
for resist.
Go ahead, Ellie. Go ahead.
Hey, Brown.
Help me out.
He was arrested for resist, so he has 3 charges. So I don't know. I feel like he would have gotten. I don't know. He also got arrested for resisting. Okay, I'm mute until I get service.
No, I was coming up to say
I'm not following the story.
Hi, Kamar. It's Sean. You left last night.
Hey, Kamar.
I just came up to say it's important to listen, guys, especially in the comments, because I know that sometimes we use certain words interchangeably, but it's the bodily harm. It was caused with a weapon. Now, bear in mind, it could be a belt. It could be something that inflicts bodily harm. Now, we don't know to what degree or whatever the injuries are, but whatever weapon was used, it inflicted bodily harm. It's that simple. It's not for touching or groping a minor. And I think this is part of why it's good to listen, to understand, and not to respond, because then you guys are going to start, this is how rumors start, right? Listen to Sky. Sky is showing it.
Exactly. When I listen to you comment, the comment just come and I get information. And we have the information right here. We have the whole entire everything in our phone. So guys, listen. It's a sad situation, and me think what happened to him can happen to anybody, because the kids over here, as I said earlier, them look older than them age, and if somebody wanna fight you or so, you gotta defend yourself. It's not where you child abuse in a mean way. I think why that I first thing if you think
right? And I want to say these injuries on his face, it could even be because he was resisting arrest, hypothetically speaking. It doesn't have to, because sometimes people resist arrest. Not saying that he did, but either he took a beat down from the minor, the parent, a relative, a neighbor, or somebody. But it doesn't, because they definitely resist arrest sometimes.
Sean is not most maybe the other person gonna jail too,
Yeah, if them beat him up so like this too, they have to take the other person in.
To be honest with you, I can't speak on the story because I don't know about the story. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Alright, my people. So, you see, some of the time, nobody wants to see you fall and mash up and drop on your face like somebody where you and them used to be friends and not friends anymore. Seeing, tell me in the comment section if you don't feel like say Shebada jump the guns, you know what I mean, and talk too fast when him come and bring down this youth. Seeing, because it can be any game player, you know what I mean? It can be anything. It can be the person move to him and him defend himself, because by looking at the picture, the mugshot, you can see the boy, you know what I mean, he get wholly panic. You see me? So you look like see the person beat him up. You see me? So we are going to hear what him have to say, you know, because we have a video with him, you know. So make we watch some more of this, and then we hear what him have to say, what really go on.
Fair enough.
I can't speak on the story. I don't know about it. What happened? What happened? What happened? Why this person look like this?
You know him?
Why this mugshot look like this?
You know Mudfish?
Mudfish?
Yeah.
Yes. Shebada Fren. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh, Shebada's supposed to rejoice.
Oh my God.
That's what Shebada, one of Shebada's best friend.
Yes.
God, my happy corner. Oh my God. I did the way me say this person you cannot recognize him. He looks so different. He look old. Well, I'm telling you, Fern and the better roses, you know. All right. It's not no better roses in that big apple.
What you mean? What you mean?
I'm talking okay, just my opinion. Because if he was in Jamaica, we would not be look like this.
What?
Are you saying he looked better when
What
he
you
was
mean?
in Jamaica?
See, no, wait, Sky. Same thing can happen. Same thing happen at Jamaica, can happen abroad. What you mean? Me can walk a foreigner, one man talk me in my face, me at Jamaica walk down the road, one man look me down with that stuff. What you mean?
It's important to know that abuse can happen anywhere that we are, anywhere, in any country.
Yellow savage.
No, I'm saying it's important to know that it can happen to us anywhere in any country.
Anywhere.
At any given time. Even in New York City, I can go on this train right now and I can get abused.
I don't think Kemar understands that how he looks now could be a result of what happened during his arrest. Maybe we need to like clarify for Kem. He did say he doesn't know. He didn't even recognize it was mudfish. So
this is the photo because Sky is really on point and I really appreciated Sky's explanation. This photo is coming from the Daytona Beach mugshot department. And
this is a mugshot.
It is an.
See, that's why I was saying finish clarifying for Kem because I don't think Kem has the full scope. That's why he made the remarks he just did.
So Kem, this is an official mugshot from Daytona Beach in Florida for an arrest that was recently made, like within the past week or past few days. And knowing how we take the mugshot, we are brought into the stations or the precinct directly after an incident. This look could have been result from a fight. We know of a charge being child abuse. We don't know if the child parents stepped in. We don't know what happened. But it's a result from that altercation and why he was charged. And this is not how he really looks. He was also abused. Nobody not talk about him in face that he's also a victim of abuse, clearly.
Yeah, but let me help out Kemar a little bit. Kemar,
yeah, please.
This is how Mudfish is looking right now. It's because of the situation. Oh, he's whining a little bit. I don't want my page to go. I guess he whine a lot.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, you see that, Kemar?
I must take.
So it's this condition. Nothing is wrong with him. It's because of the condition.
Yeah.
Oh, my mudfish look nice, man. Him look nice. Nothing wrong with him.
Yeah, it's a condition. Maybe I'll look like this under a mugshot or even worse because remember when you're doing a mugshot, you're under your word.
I know Florida steaks, Sky, I know Florida white, and probably see somebody a fight and you know what, I will probably just give him a look, probably that's a thumb to, you know, that's a thumb to the face, a direct thumb.
Yeah.
Someone that stepped in and just by how it looks, I wanna say if it's done by a child or someone underage, it would have been like a Native American overgrown child, would have like some force.
Yes.
Or the child parent or an adult. That's not what was going on. And did this because the force, even the filling of his eye, like an adult strength or strength of an adult to do this.
Oh yes.
But as Sean said before, it can be the police because the other day I saw one video on Facebook and them tell the guy to open the door and then just break the glass and beat the guy.
Well, it's illegal to accuse anybody. The adult can be a police, of course, or the police, but I know it can be an adult. Any adult. The police, the child parent, the bodega man.
It could be anybody who had a clear shot and just decided to take it.
True. Yeah.
If you got a good shot and it's adrenaline, because I know me, when adrenaline kicks in and it's fight or flight, whatever you get, that's going to be the ending result.
Sean, that
And
don't look
also,
like
like
I
what
want
Kim
hand lick him, you know. That look
No.
like I want weapon they use and lick him.
It,
Too.
No, Bella, I would.
exactly. It could.
Bella, I
Go
would.
ahead.
And it could
I
have been
think it could be
multiple thumping
anything.
I'm face though.
It
Yeah,
can
it
be
could really
multiple
be
thumb.
anything. Yeah,
Bella,
it
I
Yeah,
would
man,
can.
it
put
could
it
be
One
on.
multiple
weapon,
thumping,
man.
man.
No, it could be multiple. Remember,
Him
so
can
down
get one in him down him jaw, him can get one up him eye there,
Chat, make
so.
me help with the
And the
live
next
one.
one again in him jaw. And that will
let
definitely give him
me.
damage.
What that is, thank
I want to
I'm
say
gonna
you.
give you
this.
guys just a little facts, right? Down here in Florida, when they stop us with more than one police officer, sometimes even four at a time for a traffic stop. So they always
Thank
offer
you,
backup
chat.
because remember we are a GUN yielding state. So they have to have their backup, right? I said all of that to say that it could be anything under the umbrella. It could possibly be numerous police officers doing this to him, unfortunately, or it could be exactly what you guys said. I don't think we'll know until there's further details, but he does have a previous arrest of resisting arrest but without violence. So I'm not sure if it ties to anything. I have no idea. This is just mere speculation, but it could really be anything. And then also down here, I don't know how any other state goes, but if you're wearing like a wig or sew-in, they make you cut it out fast. So
They
just
do.
because he looks like this here does not mean, you know what I mean? He could have been wearing some kind of headpiece. They told him to take it off. So it doesn't mean he's in his worst. It's just a mugshot. Sometimes it goes like that.
Yeah, I agree. And I was following up with Shan. I saw the charges, and Kim was here when.
Guys, can we help with the live roll chat?
You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure that Kim was here when you were showing the charges, the current charges.
Kim was here, man.
Okay. The weapon was already classified as, it's a deadly weapon. But the abuse wasn't classified. We don't know if it was just a simple slap, an incorrect way of, or an indisciplined way of trying to correct a child. We don't know what took place with the child because the abuse wasn't classified, and it's not molestation.
Thank you, Glenda.
It's
You
not
know what?
Thank you, Sister Glenda.
Him, you know what's so crazy? What if I not even him? But you see, because
People, tell me what you think in the comment section. We will watch some more and then we are going to move on to the next.
him hit a child, it
Yeah.
ever consider so. Cause you know what? Let me tell you what I see happen to me myself here. I was walking. No, me I tell you what happened to me in a real time. I walk I go to the store. And you know you have to the car, you go observe your surroundings, right?
When you see
You only
me,
hear the pitney out and nowhere, you say, what the fuck you looking? Around 5 of them run come same time. So then we jump him, just be staring at him, just for staring. Then we jump him.
For a quick second, first of all, let's not forget, regardless of the situation, keeping that in mind, his first strike against him, he's black.
Yes.
He's male. And you know when you're up in your mouth and they hear the accent, the patois, the dialect, you go cook. So
And then
it's compounded with a lot of different factors. But again, the meat and potatoes is really with what happened with the minor.
Because him gay also.
No,
so.
don't put it there.
So you know they will attack him child that too.
And I think too, Shan, the blackness is why his correction will be so
Put your person
Harsh.
jungle justice looking. Because
Yeah.
that's the type of aggravation that they have towards us, especially in his case with a white man.
Especially in Florida. Yeah.
And you know what's crazy? It could be worse too if the child that you're talking about is a white child.
All that too. Multiple factors.
That's the next thing. If it's a white child, then it's a different story because those white men will throw a punch. They're culturally trained to fight from gym classes and dodgeball and all these things that we never grew up with.
So you would be child though.
No, the defense could come from an adult.
Oh, true.
You know, because even the impact, just forensic science look a bit. The eye looks like a direct impact.
It looks very clear. If you notice his mouth, he doesn't have any busted lips. It's like I'm looking on two different people, but it's one face.
Thank you, Sean.
And the impact, there is no bruises. Like it's whatever hit or hits he took to the face, it was deliberate. That's why I'm like, it could have been in close proximity. I'm not a professional, but you don't see any busted lips. You don't see it, which is crazy to me. But his cheek, he got the impact right there. Yeah. And
Well,
I'm surprised him jaw, bro.
The direct
Him take a
impact to
thump
his
in him
eye.
jaw, and him get a thumb close to him eye.
Well, I think
Him
the
nearly
thumb
about
goes to the eye because that's where the blood clot
It
is.
to look like that.
I know, so the softest part of our body, it swell bigger than any other part. Because if them hit a hard surface, yes, it'll go bulge, but it's not going to be swollen like that.
But
Yeah.
Anything on me, nothing at all, no dirt. Can me no careless. Me run house, me no run through it, not around it. Me run house. Me know you love man like me. Me not rub butter up post mouth. Me live here so you catch with me. Me not bring in man. Me not go on with nothing for you. No. Cause me know why you get jealous and jump me. Yeah. Thank you. When you did homeless and me put him up. You know, you remember when your name bust up? You remember when your name bust up? Yeah. Much fish got far for tell all Chrissy Hilton how much me chat her daughter with him. Me can chat Chrissy's daughter with Mudfish. Me could have seen with Chrissy's daughter, my friend daughter, and chat her with Mudfish. And Chrissy's daughter bright and I look for go college and the little girl shape good and I growing. The only thing I tell Chrissy is me hate her daughter for her shape. Me hate her daughter for her shape because the little girl shape good. Me say Chrissy wheel up underneath him. Chrissy says Shebada chat my daughter. Mudfish go suck your mother. I beg mothers, I beg. You could come between that. I beg. And then you come back and cuss Christian and tell her about her daughter tough. I beg. And the little girl shape better than you, Mary Dean and the whole of you. See there? Somebody say Nene. Thank you. Now care with me and Chrissy have. I never touch our child. Never. I me and Chrissy Blackwood enough time. And I never touch our child. Cause I know me and her got talk back. I mean have the reason for touch our daughter. I mean have the reason.
Alright, well, people, so we could hear what Shebada say. Because we are going to hear much what name the officer, you know what I mean, our ex-friend. You see me? So, we could listen and then move on to the next.
My class, Chrissy class, now we done. And we talk about I bay Mudfish, I bay. It's true, long time I serve for people. Miss Crystal is true. And Miss Chrissy is true. I can't say I feed them, I clothe them, I shelter them, I school all Mudfish, I send Mudfish girl to school. You don't understand people. You don't understand. Franklin Town, let me tell you this. You see Franklin Town people, them is enough things you know that is bad enough. But me about tell you something. You see Franklin Town people, them look after people picnic. You know says long time Mudfish live on the lot on him own. Oh, long time Mudfish live on the lot. Mudfish mother leave him. Mudfish mother careless. Mudfish mother know say her father sick and leave the man and leave Mudfish and gone live with man. Me nah ask you. You see the girl with their Franklin Town with name Lizzie. You see the girl with name Lizzie with their Franklin Town is a good rotted girl that. good rotted girl. That girl we name Lizzie. Lizzie don't have it. Lizzie don't have it. And Lizzie go in her titty and take out whatever she gamble and win and sit with that mudfish father name. That is the same woman who mudfish brothers dash Obeah and that send her son go to prison. And mudfish they must have gone like, and the mother walk and look church, you know. Maria the only one we walk and change church. Maria change church like how she change, man. And me I tell you from my idea, my uncle, me see mother change, man. Yeah. Now ask you, sorry for my dog for true. Sorry for my dog. When Maria and her husband kick off, him don't feed she. Him don't feed she now the kids. Remember, I mean have to scrape out the whole of the meat out of the fridge on her back. And carry on some mudfish, give your mother this, give your mother that, and then go for my yard now, go cook food and carry come a Franklin town, come give mudfish. Let me tell you that mudfish they make me have to drive to Franklin town every evening and carry them go for visit. You don't think me I carry my children them go to the park. As the whole of them happy. Yeah, the whole of them happy. When the people in Panda app used to cuss me and say them and yam you out, make them go look walk me cuss the people in Panda app. I class the people in Panda app. Yeah, and say my friend them wanna come see me. And that me tell the people class them, rub them out on the app. I beg the app, close to give mudfish them. Remember one time Appy can get about 4 barrel or 2 barrel or 3 barrel. I remember how much barrel Appy can get in. I think a 4 barrel in a year. Appy can get 4 barrel. And suit out mudfish. When if you don't mind shop for the whole of Franklin town. To all mudfish them just have up the clothes them, so you don't wonder who send them, yeah. Now ask you know, they never hold up the barrel them like real dog.
And for the first time in 78 years, snow fell in this part of Sonoma.
Some don't know what my talk say.
In the first stages of
yeah, so when you come on the net, people never remember. When you come on the net and say, me bad mind him, and me no want to say good for them, people no remember. Remember me no beg. Remember me no beg. Remember me that work at stages every week me gonna foreign gun do show. Remember every week me gonna foreign gun. So how me fi envy mudfish they were slump on the wall in a dirty clothes. We walk up and down in a Franklin town in a bleach out clothes. How me fi envy them? How me go foreign go buy all ice wine, bring come give them, carry clothes, come close the whole of them. Me start business for the whole of them. One a day. When me start business for the whole of them. One a day. One a really and truly day. All of them me start business for. Exactly, Sarah. The internet never remember that. When me a work and none of them now work and me I give them business, little business where them can do. Who remember that? Remember them young girl with multiple men, you know? And I'm me I do for them. Remember me take my hard earning money and carry go give them. Remember when me sit down and me hear Kayan and Mudfish still gonna attack, I just shake my head. And I say, me bite my tongue. Me bite my tongue. When me hear Kayan and throw a word pan me, I say, make me bite my tongue. Make me bite my tongue. I say, make me bite my tongue and swallow my spit. I say, Kayan, me here come from too far from really go down Emmanuel Road with you. Kayan, you know, Kayan, when the people in Franklin Town and tell them, say, one thing me that never cost Shebada, cause the amount of things where Shebada do for me is when time Kayan see the rest of
some people around me, I go run through the rest of this. You know what I mean? Someone want to tell me what they think in the comment section. You see me, I say, can remember the times them when Shebada and this are youth here, where, you know what I mean, where you talk about and the girl and something used to par, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So, I want to tell me what they think about them falling out, you know what I mean? And at it, even to this day. Tell me what you think.
people who are my enemy can wrap up underneath me. Yeah, that's how smart can be. I'm tell you now. Yeah. But me that never cost Shebada. I just went and can meet the people them. When she know I rob me, she go down in night, you see. Remember Kay you did walk go down outside, go chat me now with me and her friend and me and feed her and yeah, Shebada Batman for real. True Shebada Batman. Remember. I'm say Kay I come confront them, I say, Kay, I don't believe nothing with them. I say, them time they may believe it. Cause remember your sister, they tell me about you a long time ago. And I look at your sister and say, there is nothing new about Kay. Cause me and I run a friend like that. As somebody where me did want to help out of the ghetto, cause Franklin Town did have them out for her. And I just want to help her out of the ghetto. But Kay never have no ambition. Never have no ambition. Kay eat me because she want to give me 100,000 for go to embassy go get visa for her. Me can't make Kay give me 100,000. 100,000 after me not sell visa. After me not sell visa, feed her foreign go so old. Now you run across the border, you see say not even live no way. Yeah. Can't remember you couldn't find the ring to match up to your sister in your class then. Yeah, but now ask, you know, I can't make me and twip no friend. I can't make me and twip the kick off. Can't. In my innocence, me I try to keep the peace. And can't want war because twip I get the man them off. I make her don't talk much. Make her leave Can't out of this until it's just strike. You know how much years me I wait for Kayan for strike? You know how much years me I wait for Kayan for lift up her head? You know how much years me I wait for Kayan for lift up her head? Ay, yang. You know how much years me I wait for that little girl for lift up her head? Cause she play hypocrite towards me and go like say she play innocent. You know how long? Kayan know me and know say me not easy, you know? Oh, cause every day she look at me and tell me say me can't team. Every day Kayan tell me say me can't team. Every day. Oh. Cause she know me not easy. She know me not carry hostage. You think I joke? Me say me in a Franklin Town and she tell the people them who like me, the nice things them bow me. You see the ones them who not too go with me, she rub me, you see me say yes, this is the truth she. This is what I want to hear. Me no want you wanna come tell me a lie. I'm always tell them, I say Mudfish and Kayan, don't make me go back to the Shebada wanna know me. Don't make me go back to the Shebada there, cause the Shebada did not have no pity. Oh, don't make me go back there, so. Yeah. Them bitter for true, Fiona, you see when I sit down, so, and I look how the internet gravitate to everything where they must say. I said the internet, and I remember, and I said the same internet I used to class them. And say Shebada that proud and not fit them dirty. That crowd and not fit them dirty. That same internet, yeah. That same internet where you used to tell me, say, do not take your things and give to them. The same internet.
Pastor woman, they tell you already in a Franklin Town church, don't buy no more Obeah. Yeah? Don't send nobody else to buy Obeah for you. And them something they make me watch it differently. And them something they make me they really come around here for pray for you, for cut some things. Yeah, when them don't wear your clothes. Yeah, me they sit down and me they real and me they take heed to the pastor people. Then you're crazy. Me did I watch myself around your germs. Yeah. I'm telling you already. I'm not argue with you. I'm done with you. I'm not argue with him. Nah, I'm not take on no lion spirit. I'm a still town girl. I'm not telling a lie. I'm still look cute and girly. I just look like somebody where them boyfriend beat them up. I just get a little beat up from my boyfriend. I don't know about my skin hard. If you touch me too hard, me I go swell. You understand? If you touch me too hard, me I go swell for true. For true. No. I'm just girly, I'm just soft, I'm take care of my skin. And if you take care of your skin, you understand. My skin soft, my skin silky, my skin smooth. No blood clot. Me no patrol, and me no bongo. Yeah, so you expect if you get a hard lick, it will swell and it will swell real bad. But look at this. I'm still cute, I'm still girly. Shebada, I'm still going to buy 10,000 miles. Shebada, you still have to catch up. Shebada, you still let a back burner, you have to catch up. You have to catch up. Catch up, girl, catch up. Catch right up. You fight to catch up and you not reach me. But they can't. I'm not telling him I'm alive. Why am I make you feel like it's important? You're nobody. I talk about myself. Yeah, people, but my alright. My alright, now I'm on medication.
Never have a friend. So you have a friend is a good thing. You say you have a friend and you alone put in your work, trust me, you got better off. You say you make 2 friends and 3 friends and 5 friends and 10 friends. That make no sense. You have to learn to put in your work by yourself. Don't have 20 friends and 100 friends and them things, bro. Yeah, come and tell you, bro. You say me all over such man place chat. You know what I say? Such man. Alright, can I have some man who just go over such man here, you know? You know, so such man I chat the 2 man names. Damn, I'm really dog, you know, bro. But we just know, chat, everybody has some style, bro. I'm here telling that. So no come and find, brother. Follow in my footsteps. Don't go family yard. Don't go family yard, brother. Don't go family yard. Go stranger yard. Come up here, I never go family. The man there, I never know him, I never know nothing about him. I don't know what him keep like or what him do. When I chat to the man, I say that I come and find me, I go to family, you know. I come build a year foot to better days of the dog. So yo man, you can go and build. But I better me go build a family too. Because man start tell the people him say yo. Because watch and they see such girl chat, such girl start tell the man say, hey, Swiss start make money. So then somebody else, such girl start telling the man say me I make money.
People, you know what me get to understand, like when it come to like people house and living and rare, you have to show like say boy, you know what I mean, you're willing to like take care of certain things. You see me I say, because remember you know man, a people place you there, you know, and then put you up when you don't have nothing, you know. You understand? So when you start make nothing, you know, when they start make something, you know, you can't make them find out, say, yo, yeah, make. You have to show them by giving them a thing, make them appreciate it, because at the end of the day, you know, people, you pass through the situation there, you know. Maybe somebody else, you know what I mean, want the help, you know. You see me? And you are gonna make it bad for that person by the way how you treat the situation. Him should have make the woman make the man know say him a make money. Him should have make sure say certain things him take care of. Even say boy, you know what I mean, buy some grocery put in the house. You know what I mean? Hold this bill for light bill and them something there. You can't make money and still a sponge on the people. I one thing doing our people. Sicily is a man who in tight for money he look like, you know. Yeah man, he look like in tight for money. But on a level with people, real talk, if you're that one person place and you make money, help out with the bills them and grocery and them something there. You see what I say? That's the least you can do because them a put you up. You know what I mean? Let me know what I think.
So the man now want me come out time house. No, him now want me come out time house and I think he want me start give money. So you know, so one time I get one blood class show in New York chat. Me go get one blood class show in New York. And the man have him be a man friend them in him house, right? Me come from New York. When me come from New York, chat the house look like chap house. Blue up bed, weed, bread, and you see? Chat when me see them my skin start scratch me, come here and say, I know somebody left the place. So me go so now boom and call the man and me say, yo dad, pull up on me. And me as a father, yeah, bro, you're a big man now, bro. And you live in our mansion. And the house you have here rent like it's a 1-bedroom apartment. But you have to talk to the man and tell the man them clean up the place. Me say, alright bro. Me pay, get 2 cleaner girl, me pay them for clean the place. The 2 cleaner girl them come and the girl them clean the kitchen, clean up the place and make the place smell bad. Me don't know if the dog get fuck the 2 woman them chat. Chat, guess how much woman them tell me up to clean the place. Guess how much woman them tell me to clean the place. 2,000 blood clot dollar. 2,000 blood clot dollar to clean one kitchen and clean the blood clot living room. 2,000 blood. Me just call him back. Me just call him back and say, listen me. Me alone now pay $2,000 and I can remember some just come from blood clot New York from one show. Who the blood clot you got pay one two girls $1,000 each. Where them now make for clean one blood clot.
We don't know how it go.
That's why
Him can left you
man because him nah.
We don't know how it go. One mouth can't talk.
I don't like nah. Add my man right now and ask him if him ever smell my pussy. Come. Add my man right now and ask him if he ever smell my front. You would that be a shame. He would have turn on and tell us you need to go wash your mouth. I don't feel like you don't want my man this me. Him nah this me for none of one. You mad? You think I'm a baby father this? Him nah this me. This me for uno.
You care where you want.
30 days and 30
nights.
nights.
They don't care about that.
Boy,
you
nah, this
him and me say you can't choose and full of sense.
Crazy.
And him left him.
What? Your bad man can't live nowhere.
Make your bad man have your
live nowhere. All fat.
Everything with me want, I have
with you in
it.
a conversation.
Everything with me want, I have it, baby. Everything with me want, I have it.
Cause you don't want nothing like you don't have nothing.
Me not supposed to have nothing.
You don't have nothing.
Me not supposed to have anything. And that say how much time you move. You say you left the man gonna hot and full of scent. You can't say you leave the man and then the man leave you cause you're full of scent. One mouth can't talk and that me so much that my blood clot move. No girl can't lick my fast nothing. Me tell her no come over here.
When you see my man ask him if me smell since you
me no want to ask him nothing.
I come sniff out me whole cause you don't
me no want to sniff that can't sniff that one drip.
You suck my pussy and
that
stink it up.
Drip.
You look a pussy one drip.
Nah, get with nobody when I live and
when doctor prescribed said good.
When you clean your house, you come talk to me.
Drip.
You can't hang with nobody when you can't get house tour. I know you can't show me the tour. You say, you take up yourself. After all, me see your living condition. Them could have really want to ask me when me a move or how much time I move. Everybody see your living condition. You lick yourself in here, yeah, man. Alright, Osh, come. Alright.
Where we do?
Alright. Osh.
It's not a same blood clot I want to talk about. On have to deal with the furniture.
After this about man a living condition, you really would have want to ask me how much time me move?
I thought me say. And if it burn, yeah, your problem.
When you're surrounded nasty, you're supposed to inquire. You feel your husband is alone. You out of everybody. Make a comment section, them ask me all of them. I know them live in a clean environment. Me know the comment section, people them live in a clean environment. But people like you, that's a dirty place. You don't have the rights. You don't hold the right or have the right to ask anybody about us.
And everything for going on more.
You need to move around the garbage them in your place.
Me no want to move around the
picture.
You
need to move around the piss bucket. When your house all black. You need to move around the dirty clothes them and go wash them. Wear over the dirty clothes.
You still low Avalon. You still low Avalon.
Something that you need to ask yourself.
You still low Avalon.
Thanks, babes.
You still low Avalon. Chat triple. All of the furniture.
People, tell me what you think. We'll watch some more and then we're going to move on to the next.
Them half a day left them. You still low Avalon. The two are in on the land. When
guys,
we
don't argue with
the furniture, them up at that door. You know how do me a pussy clad. When we can't pair with the two our furniture for that door. You know have a land, me not have none. How much time you move at that, me say. If it hurt you, your business. Come like as a landlord see upon the complex, him give notice. I that me say if it hurt you, come lick me. And if me can't defend him, fuck about that boy. And if me can't defend him, fuck about that blood clot boy, that me say. And I tell me for come suck you. Like you want poison me. Me nah make no class, me a blood clot. My duties, everything when me a blood clot, anything if me have $10, me a save $5 come here with my food no don't fall. I that me so much time me a blood clot move. If you don't like it, come drape me. And if you drape me, I can't defend him fuck about that boy. And if you can't defend him fuck about that one.
Guys, you hear what me say?
I
what the Batman say? Him a wait. He must see a film them come away from my downfall. From the day at the internet, guys, from about 2000.
It look like she not understand. She not understand me say, if me have a $10, me a save a $5 come away from Uno with my downfall. And that me say. Me could have wait for your downfall. A pussy wanna say, phone pussy skin out all about. Man look up in a phone pussy and go to phone mouth stink about the right through the blood clot my ear. Me say if me have a $10, me a say $5. Come here with my phone don't fall with me. And that me say.
Public, them supposed to can't come with papers for sure. Never in my life. Homeless no print for me. Can't pay rent no print for me. You crazy? Me rather pay my rent and starving at this blood clot. Me rather go fuck out of my body hole for pay my rent. A roof I go always over my head because me have a son that take care of him. You know I careless people. For the money I have to spend for year and years because I don't want it to come hype on TikTok. I turn on the live and have thousands of views over there if you say all your ear do. But me a girl we used to ear, me get ear free. Me a girl we used to nails, me can get them free. All these things where you get, me get them for promotion.
She not a problem. That girl knows say me not buy ear. She don't know say all of the ear them a promotion. I want to that girl here. I that me say. She don't know say me not buy ear. All of my ear them a promotion ear. I want to that girl here.
You don't want to make millions on TikTok and live in a cube. Only we are
Cause she listen me all long. She listen me all long. I'm tell her say the man gone in a different girl. When shape good and look good. It's a riding her red. A riding her blood clot head. That hurt her so she will attempt. That you shall say she left the boy and me I say, wait. I this is the ivany where we know. I said this is the ivany where we know. Things and time change. We don't talk to you.
They can't call enough eviction name for me. You're crazy. Come in a witch foreign and can't parent. And me I make money. Me no steal like money, you know. When you know I make money, you know make people know, you know. When we make millions and still act like you know hungry. And that with you know. You not even rate on the gift as them. All of the gift are no lie to. You know I make millions. I still compare your gun like so no poor. I want to make millions. Everybody know I'm in a hide. When me I make money, you see come place you look good. I mean a girl as me make her money. The first thing we do go down to IKEA. I'm go down to TJ Maxx. I'm go down to Walmart. I'm buy something for the house. I'm buy something for myself. When you get full of money here and there, just to come on TikTok, come get look of views. Move on non-ambitious blood clot.
Move your blood clot. You not the ambition.
Move your non-ambitious blood clot.
Like
I never hear say somebody
like
your money. Leave it
proper.
For move. You know how much money it takes for move?
When pum pum could have cut in a two.
You know how much money you have to pay moving truck for move? When you are rent somewhere, you know how much money? Leave it. You know how much money you have to pay?
When the man sing pum pum cut in a two, half for you. Your pum pum could have cut.
Leave it.
Kite.
You touch it again, I go slap your arm.
This up back your
pick it up.
Come and tell you
pick it up.
Cocky girl.
Hey, pick it up now.
So nobody talk like a good girl. Remember you to think up
Bed. Come go up my bed.
You're not different from me.
I don't want to slap you though.
Chat 16 rolls. Chat 16 rolls. Chat 16 rolls. Everybody send a roll. 16 rolls. Your class from a class back your blood clot. Me ask you how much time you move. Me not say no. You hard for me catch you. Me tell us our man gone and find a girl in a better shape. A better shape. And a stiffer titty. And her titty them long like slippers. And that she ignorant because she listen what me I say. Take a ride there. She wait for me walk about the mouth. But me walk me the wrong long cloud time.
I can't say you can't ask me no question, you know. But with your living condition,
just like how you come in the woman here, I ask
so
anything.
Ask nobody. You're crazy. You know, your house look like shit pit. You don't have a right to ask nobody about movement. You move out the garbage and out of your place. You move out the dirty bucket where you're pissing and where you douche. Where you douche out your dirty bottom. Got so much days you douche. The amount of man fuck you in a one night. I be a dirty douche water. And that day in your house for 1 month straight. And you own a friend them show. You move out the dirty bucket them. How much time you take out the douche bucket water?
You say you left the man.
How much time you take out the douche bucket water? Out of your crosses house. Your living condition is really bad.
Pretty girl look a bit and full of
so to think about it, you don't got no rights to ask me how many times
look a bit and full of smell.
You can't approve that.
Pretty girl look
you're not in a good living condition to ask anybody. Furthermore, don't ever, not even on my life, don't ever go on anybody else's life and ask them how much time they move. Because you can't move. You know why you can't move?
Alright, my people. Now talk too much. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright, I'll go watch some more.
You know, the money for move. You can't live up to the lifestyle. I know one them dead in a yard one dead in the douche water. You're the only person.
You know what the Yankee boy do what here?
In a little dirty, filthy bacteria. In a little motel where you catch up in. Stacey, thank you, baby.
And gone. You say you left.
Worry about that. Let the people in the comment section ask me how many times I'm moving.
Yes, say
for them live comfortable. You realize everybody asks me, I'm not go for them. Because you know them in a good stable house.
The pretty girl
but with your dirty style, you could never.
Me say me no matter pussy clap so much time. The pretty girl.
Not even for your perfect day, your best you know,
We don't know if you have smell and the boy left you.
Eh? Me have to live up to
we
my
don't
top
know
list.
if you have smell and the boy
Yeah,
left
you live. I live nowhere.
Any blood
Upon Mommy Rosalie.
It no
Thank you.
matter.
I make money. Where the money go to?
It no matter.
Where the gift does the money put to? Come in know your rent not so dear. I'm not ask you. Your rent is not so dear. Won't
Make
money
money
put
and
to
still
my
smell
man
bad. That
like
makes
dog and he is a man.
Make money
is a
and
man and
still
your man
smell bad.
like dog. Hmm?
Make
you
money
is a
and still
man
have a
and your
smell. That
mind
makes
man
sense.
like a dog. Man a
I
man
want
man
to
to
make
blood
money
clot.
and
I
full
never
of
come see them something here. That's all the money take do a man man. No else.
I want you was thinking.
I'm buy a wig. I buy 1 year eyelash put on just to come on TikTok, come get some 200 views, and just to come post video so it can go viral. But the only thing you need to take out the viral douche bucket out of your house. The picture will go viral. Put the douche bucket in your house. Go take it out. How much time you move out the douche water? That we need to know. How much time you move out the dirty things and the dirty clothes in your place? And that we need to know. The dirty bed where you sleep on and shit up on and douche out pan. How much time you move out the mattress to get sun? Go sun your mattress. A sun your mattress your name. Sun your mattress your name. You need to go sun your mattress. And that you need to know. Man, I the person that about unmuting black that bitch. Come question my blood clot life. And only no live now we are in a stable place. I'm gonna talk to you now. So I have the platform for you. I'm gonna talk to you.
Long blood clot.
Like you. Suck your mama.
You're
too old, child. Come on, blood clot.
You know
how many times you move? Your place not proper.
Yesterday you go like
your place not proper. What?
Right now, doctor, look
Batty man, go back in the sea. If you can't swim, I will teach you. And we can't take a submarine and put you down in there. We want you to go deep where the Titanic there for there.
In a way.
It's a blood clot metal if you carry you back down, you know. We have to see you stay at the bottom. We have to type piece of stone pan you so you sink. You're not even fish or whale. You're not even whale or jellyfish. If you're there in the deep sea till it black till we can't see along there, you're there. When you reach from the land, I ask you, man, how much time they move. When you reach from the land, yeah? Don't talk to you, have the platform.
Your pussy wants say eye doctor that can't check. Your pussy want go up and drip. Doctor look for you for it dripping in your hole.
Oh my God.
Eye doctor look for you for check your crotches.
My pussy them come with stale. It's actually stale. To be hearing everybody talking about one female pussy for the last couple of years, it's actually getting stale.
Everybody saying a
what you tell me about my pum pum when I never hear somebody say?
Shot 16 or me no want
hear about bad.
That. Shot 16
different.
Me no want hear about that. Me no want hear
something different. Red dew, what's the problem? Come with something different. We're tired of Vani pussy. We're tired of hear about how Vani pussy. We're tired of hear about stretch out. We're tired of hear say kill man. We're tired of hear say man no want to cause me. We're tired right now. Something new. And I'm convinced say you no want to eat me front. I'm convinced say you no want to eat me front. But you don't know how to ask me. Because only a person will want to get involved with me front talk so much about me front. You never go there, but me know no one go there. You know no one go there because you could never have things to talk about my front. So anytime you hear them say something about my front, them want to eat it or them want to send them man to come eat it. Or maybe me did take them man because me fuck Batty man too. So no more than me did fuck one of your man them. And he come tell you my pussy sweet. But you can't stand say sweet, you come class, me say dirty. Just like the other one too. We say me need this wash up my front. Look like a man tell her sweet my front, be a she be like so she come mix door in and tell me say me need for wash up. I look at all my front on a bad man. My front is a hot topic, the pussy card.
Dear,
front of
we so cocky like dear.
No, me never go there, but you know have something to say.
Me no know that. Me no want know that. That me someone tell me.
Ear say. Now who from out your ear it from? I mean. No me ever catch my pussy. Oh, you have to try to shame somebody will come telling about no pussy. I may take my pussy pill them show. You forgot? I may take my pum pum pill them show. You forgot? I may push up jelly in my pussy show. No, you forgot?
Yes,
I may scratch my front and smell it and say no way I got doctor. You forgot? I may tell you some pum pum things I'm a doctor one. You forgot? So how you gonna tell me something that I tell you? You can't tell me what I tell you. You can never tell me when me tell you. Anything gonna use a pussy, let me tell you about my pussy. I didn't know what I like say when is that girl about clot. Clot what kind of blood clot see. Go turn over the pocket which is me. I'm telling you about my front. When you look a bit on bad mind, you can be the awesome mad.
We never see a baby
for fix up.
We never see a baby
your bad mind. You look a bit on bad mind. You couldn't stand some there. I clean up my place. It hurts you. You don't have a dress of the move. You don't have a sofa for the move. You don't have nothing. You don't even take a little time and buy something nice. I'll go on Amazon or Shein and buy something good. Phone money that's in a phone pocket and then you want to come try you style. But oh, we are going to deadlift it one day. Move your dirty blood clot. So if you go dead one day, you don't have on no clothes. Because clothes are vanity. Take off the clothes where you have on now, because you're going to die. So come on TikTok.
I meet you for the ask where she have in her house. Me never ask you where you have in your house. So check your mate. All your hype and your mate still stink. All your hype and your mate still stink. All your hype and your mate still stink. Clean up house and you still stink. All your hype and your mate still stink. All your clean up you still stink. Remember, so we know you're stinking, Ivany. You forgot? Remember, so we know you're girl where man fuck for 3 piece. Remember we seeing at the video. Remember you are still
so you can't get along with woman because you want to
clean up your house.
I forgot to woman come with ambition. Batman is just a Batman. Right?
The green card didn't
You're broke. You don't have any money. You're broke. You're broke. You don't have any money. You're broke. You're a beggar like us.
You don't even.
You're a beggar. You're a beggar. You're a beggar. You're a beggar. You're a beggar.
You know how crazy it is? You're talking about a green card, right? Right? No, I'm not cussing. Just listen. Reason. You're talking about a green card, right? I would have to marry to you, meet you, right? You said, and shut the fuck up, bitch. You said you have to date a person for 1 year.
Alright, my people. So, make we hear a blinga officer, but Jabas and Annie, I bring down this youth here. So, may I say, make we hear what she have to say.
Before you get married, bitch, I just know you 2 weeks ago. 2 fucking weeks ago.
Yeah,
so how would I get a green card from you?
Yeah. So you,
you don't have
because
money.
you were gonna scam me.
Shut the fuck up and get down my screen, man. Move.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Well, you guys can also leave too. You guys can always leave.
You're stupid as fuck.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
No, man, bitch, shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
And leave.
Fuck out my screen. You small bitch.
Leave, you slow motherfucker.
Bitch.
Yeah, Annie will win. Annie will win. Touch it, will win.
Yes, touch it, yeah. Yes.
No comments. As we continue, we have another female that joined the all of this here where I go on.
What the fuck you about you? Woman, let's get that fuck money and check to my brother. Can't check to my brother. You wake up in the morning, you fuck a look ugly in your ass. You can't touch somebody ugly. What is right? You can't touch somebody ugly. You're wrong. Just looking bitch. Annie. Bigger juice looking bitch. You can touch somebody ugly with your belly and rasta. Stinking pussy. Stinking pussy. Stinking pussy. You can touch somebody ugly. Looking like a bitch. Looking like a motherfucker bitch. let me tell you something. You keep on bullying people like that. You got children. You don't want the wickedness.
All this stuff went sideways. Now back to Mr. Derek Morgan.
Who remember the girl where do they come and talk about if labor right wing she got in herself? Oh, nobody see her as yet. One if she in herself. So come here little girl. Me have some gazomite for you. Come, me have some gazomite for you. Forgive you. I can lie down and sleep away. Yes, I want some gazomite. Come for the gazomite right now. Can you say got in herself? If labor right wing, come for the gazomite. No. Who remember the girl?
Sweet 16, are you stopping with me about police new hood? Is that what you're doing? Are you stopping with me? Am I the one that you're speaking about? Can you let me know? Anyway, as we continue with the evening news. So this female, she says that police took them into the wood and bush and threw away the boxes. So basically what she's saying is that the ballot boxes for Western St. Mary thrown out in nearby bushes. I don't know how these people know all of these things.
Fresh drop. Tell her why me upset, but Western St. Mary seed.
Yes, we do not know the reason why this female is saying all this, but you know, we weren't there. All right, let's continue. Conrad is out there. Conrad told his viewers to report Annie and chat. Am I allowed to laugh when I'm reading the news? Do you guys think that should happen? Because if I'm not allowed to laugh, I won't laugh. So can I hold? All right, Mitchie bless and God gave me this, said I am allowed to laugh. Now Conrad told his viewers to report Annie and Jabba's account. Conrad say them a chopper. People, please take a listen.
Honestly, Annie and all those people were just trolling and all. But guys, feel free to go report those accounts though, in all seriousness, because they're a bunch of scammers. Honestly, they literally are. So
Alright, my people. You see how far that situation here with Annie and this youth can reach? And they can reach far right now, my people. You see me? And guess who started? Guess who started now? The Lion Man started. Yes, he say him and the weapon they farm against Annie. And Annie knows. Yo, and the Lion Man started like this, my people. And he chat to our man good, you know. I want to do our people and he full of X1 pan TikTok, yo, and he full of X man, yo. You see me? But my people, and the Lion Man start, you know, and you can't tell and nothing about this a boy, you know. Boy, I would say this a man of mischievous, yo, for. Look what's up, more people.
so yeah, I'm saying if you want to. I'm not going to ask you guys to do anything you don't like feel comfortable with, but literally Annie said in a screen recording that she wanted a green card. I mean, this was before, like, we really were starting to do anything. Victoria, you're doing good. You're doing good. As mod. Yeah, no, because the fact is, guys, Annie wanted a green card on me. This was before we started, like, kind of doing something, I suppose, but that's literally, but I was thinking, okay, you know what, let's just go along with this. They might be just doing it for entertainment purposes after I saw that green card, like, video, guys. I knew exactly what I was doing. I have a brain, guys. It may not always seem like that way when I'm just, like, energetic and excited, but yeah, I do actually have a big brain, so a huge one. So it wasn't Jayden that was saying that. There was actually a screen recording of someone saying that. So, like, I'm serious, guys. I am super serious. Okay. All right, guys. Let me go get my
Okay. Love for me, so kind. She was driving with them. That these people keep on sending me requests. If I keep on declining the requests, this means I'm doing something. Or
so first thing first, Shay, I want you make you understand this. You see, me and you, two different type of person. Alright? And you see the art where you have, Shay, I'm totally different from you. You understand me? I see you come out and on the break, alright, I'm gonna put it good. I see you, Shay, come out and you see my eyes, them a twitch. You see my mouth lean. That's the reason why you give the advice and me forget some rest. Shay, me I tell you the truth. I would never ever want an advice from you. To the type of person who you is. You understand me? I would never want you to give me an advice. Let me tell you something, Shay. You see all of the things then what you do to me and do towards my family, you're evil. You understand me? And for a woman like you, I would never want to come in your way. I would even want to walk in at the same path where you walk. People they on social media, Shay, and them send me sex video. Me right now, me have your sex video in my phone. Me have your whole of your video. Me have your pum pum. Me have your butt. Me have everything with your naked in my phone. And I would never leak your video on the media. You understand me? Me is a total different person from you. Right now in my phone, your own people them send me video for expose you. I may never do it to you. You understand me? For show you the type of person I am. Me now go follow you and make me do certain things what me no want to do. Me now go take nobody's sex video or take you and expose you out there to the world. The things then what you do to my family, you understand me? You're disgusting. The things then what you do to my family, Shay, you are disgusting. So when you come out here, son, I go tell you, I go worry about my eye and my mouth. Eh? You don't think of the things then what you do. The things then what you do towards my family. You don't think all of them affect my family. So me must over here start worry. So all of what you put out on social media, you really and truly are going to say, somebody if you go look out for me. Look, just look for it. No, tell me the truth now. I want to be truthful. You see a lot of uno come on social media, uno pretend like so uno is a good person and have a good heart. If you did have a good heart, Shay, you would never deal with my daughter like that. As a woman to woman where you have pitney, you would never deal with my daughter like that. You come out and you send out video and tell people say my daughter is in a sex tape. And you know in yourself say that is not my daughter. But because you want people put down my 14-year-old daughter, you send out sex tape and tell people say I'm a pitney that my 14-year-old child. You understand? Me no want you to feel sorry for me. Me not look no sorry for from you. Me no hate you. But me no like you. You're evil, you're wicked, you're covetous. You is a snake.
You understand me? And you see how evil you be? You can't hide the evil when in you, it's showing in your face. And me I tell you this again. Me have video in my phone where people on social media send me a you share. Naked as a day you're born. Even with the cut where you have on your belly where you gonna have C-section, me see all of that. But me, Annie, never choose to expose you or put you out there on the media. So you could never be a real woman where you come out, come try to put out things about a 14-year-old child. And now you're going to talk about you care about who? What you talk about my face for? Leave that to somebody else. And let me tell you something. You see when time you don't have no content, you come out and you live from people. You understand me? You don't have any content of your own. You understand me? If you did have content of your own, Shay, you would never sit down from people like this. You are like a succuba. You're a succuba. You try to drain people energy to make yourself feel good. And me I go tell you this. Me, Annie, me sorry for you. Me I tell you this from my heart, Shay. Me sorry for you. You saw you come out this morning how you jump up and you go on. You're evil. Keep my name out of your mouth.
The people, telling you something. You see in life, you see once a person show you who they are, believe them. And that Annie do. Believe the person that she is. You see me I say? So let me know what you think in the comment section. If she should I just take what she say and just, you know what I mean, no reply. I should do the right thing and make sure you know say, yo, we are not friend. Don't worry about me. Tell me what you think.
Ask you if you do it once, me ask you twice. Shay, keep my name out of your mouth.
The seatbelt can't fit on the plane and all like a big fuck out old girl. And he's a man. Where your man with the dirty pepper sauce? And me you want to come out dreadlocks lady? You want me to check up tamarind and shake pam pam? And you want me to skin out and take fuck alike? You dirty blood clot pepper sauce? I would catch him suck your barrette. Dirty boy. Let me a reason a girlie. And you want to come for me and me a come back, but you hey boy. Stinking boy na ramp with me. Big pussy pan nose na ramp with me because I know phone nose up nose and not ugly. I want to come in a chat with girl. Stop coming from page strong from your own friend. Stinking pepper sauce me attack. But you know run up in a blood clot uno. You see me I go over on the life go sit down for spend 3-4 hours a screen a card uno. For sit down and look for it for jot out. For post. You attack girl. And uno follow behind me. Take me for your blood clot page. Erase me. I don't like uno. And now when I block some on the screen a card page, you still around for come catch caption. Come here the real bomber clot deal boy yeah. Come here keep boring life. Come here live for boring. I can't live corporate. I can't live on no corporate road. It will sick me. Me have to live where gunshot a fire, stone a throw, war a create, nice a make. That's how me live. I don't live quiet and easy. I don't like it. I like 1 and 2 quietness yet, but I love excitement. Don't fuck with me because I don't see a dog shit. It's a bit of a come for you. But you put up your nasty like you fuck out mama. What better big nose dog shit like you. Oh. Can't sip me drink now because I overcome it. To a little more. Overcome it now. My temper hard for me I come along the blood clot road. Yeah. Me I calm down. But I thought when them girl them kiss them teeth, I block them. When I'm send card someone, so now we are come and say kiss the teeth for girl. Yeah, me go up on a plane and you go video me safe flight. What about that? And them always do it. More than one of them do it. When them screen a card up, when them play live and them screen a card yo. When them up on the live and them screen a card yo. Them write them stinking caption. I when they not fuck with people, you fuck with people. Leave me alone. Come on for me, you know like me stop come over here. I'm not send call on none of the screen a card me. I chat I what them been I do. And over the years it dawned upon me. Over the years it started to get to me. Them been try mash up my program with that already. Them been try mash up my program with that already. And make in the atmosphere me seems like a bad person. You know all me literally stay and survive. The people in pan TikTok said the screen some of the screen card page of my liar. They were actually watching the live. That's how we survive. That's how we still have platform, boy. Yeah. I was actually watching it, but we ever saw that roast some the dead. I saw someone with survive. I saw someone with still there. See me, I can't come say taps and roses. Because when them caption, them take out this and them take out that and them jot out. Remember, you know, you are screen a card for one half an hour. You gotta sit down and watch half an hour of video and take out piece and jot it. You see it edit out. And I mean, like, if you know who see to do that, big old set up black shot. That's so good, all dirty or day. But that's black she. And she eat me, I can't stomach her. But yet still, if you go over her page now, me there, she there so. I wanna black them come like ticks in them there. Them not gonna wait. Well, I wanna black them still there. Can't talk the back my black she still there. See she post me see me. I'm not like when I wanna like me. I wanna still there. Leave me alone. If I can't, if all time people that say I have nothing good for saying, I say nothing. Why the fuck you want to come on somebody live? Screen a call them and then talk bad about them. Because the caption now go sell. Sometimes I see you put up some certain caption for some screen card, I don't watch it. I don't watch screen a card. You're not a hypocrite. I own the real junk reply the screen card page them. Because if people over here help people to not screen card it. One night I'm over here, I give it to 8 mothers. I don't see a screen card in. Last week Sunday me there, I give it to 4 mothers. I don't see a screen card in. I still have 500, must have $500 from Angela and 150 more left from Tiara. Figure it. I'm still pending in giveaways because I'm not finished yet. I don't see a screen card. But maybe over here, I tell somebody say them pussy big and then move my pussy down and then put it on the wall on that screen card and caption. Yeah. You don't like nothing positive. You don't like negativity. You don't like drama. We not look at hype of a people name. And we as the blood clot people, I'm click for live. You on screen a card, blood clot. On screen a card page. Sitting for right and talk about. We, the people. Turn on us smart. Someone who know blood clot have screen a card page. One look click for live at the dog now over there. Not even 2 puppy wow. Nobody now look for uno. Not even 2 puppy wow. I follow screen a card page, I'm going to go over on someone on a blood clot live. But don't even see 200 people. Hold on there. Hold on there. I see one girl kiss her teeth. So I let her throw a girl who kiss them teeth. Yeah. Black, mama black you. Because I don't want you to come back tomorrow, you know. I want you to come back. Stay away from me. I hate someone, you know. I hate someone. I hate hypocrite and backbiter. If I don't like a person, I fuck with them. Simple. If I don't like a person, I fuck with them. If I don't like a person, I don't fuck with them. Period. That's on Bible. Me pity them Bible. Me whole life, me like him, I go around him, I don't want to see you. Stay far. You sit my stomach, I don't even look. So some on the screen card page, I couldn't be one. Can't not like me, but yet as me click my live on a bungle up like sardine. I wanna now move. So I wanna put it come for my live set on the phone. I screen card to the whole live.
Alright, my people, so I not stay too long on this, you know what I mean? But I don't like Rosalie, I tell still my people. Sometimes I watch some video and some of the things about the people them say, you know what I mean, like on the title and them something nothing like that in the video. I mean, I always wonder why them choose to lie and mislead the people them. You know what I mean? Why you put up certain things where you know say I know so it go just to get people to view your thing. That not nice because you tell lie on the person. I make the person look away. You see me? So let me know what you think the people will listen just a bit more and then we are going to end it because the video is long enough already.
If my crutches drop a ground, tomorrow remember that touch a FYP by somebody because on now move come like fly pan shit. Uno no move. Uno no move. Uno no move. Can't get a break. The girl come on my platform today and send me a request. With her head down. I asked her who she has up because of a girl. I click my live on my there, so why the fuck you come and perplex my brain? If you come, you be a civil, be a big person, say you want to play a match, let me say yes or no. No. You want to be a whore. So I'm going to treat her like a whore. And tell her what I feel like I'm going to burn you. So me stay. I'm a demonic person. Me not nice. You treat me nice, I will always treat you nice. You fuck with one part of my spirit. Any spirit you fuck with, any demon, come to me good. Me let out the best part of me. Come with a demon spirit, me I go get back a demon spirit. You come for my life, you ask me, hello, Rosalie, what, you play a match? No. Simple. Don't come here like say me the send call or me request you. And then, you know, make it look like say, I me request her and then me had this or no, you request me. And when you request me, you shun me. I'm not stupid. You know, Jada. Nobody no use me. Me I want smart blood clot, bitch. Sometimes when everything good, it's good for talk. Me I want smart blood clot, bitch.